Today we're working on a 1978, I think it's a 78 GMC. It's been parked for about 20 years or so. We drug it out of a field. I didn't drag it out, Poppy drug it out, and bought it from a guy, really just to get the powertrain out of it. The body's totally junk. You can show him the body. There's not a salvageable panel on this thing. Every panel is completely rusted out. Doors are junk. So what we've done so far is we took the spark plugs out and sprayed WD-40 down the cylinders, and we robbed the battery out of Poppy's trailer, and
I wouldn't really say robbed, but okay.
We borrowed it, and spun the motor over, and it spun over just fine. So now we put the plugs back in it, and the carburetor actually looks like it's in pretty good shape. So we're gonna pour some gas down it and see if we can get it fired up.
Disgusting.
All right, we're gonna take a shot at it here. Put a little gas in the carburetor. Whenever you're ready, bud.
Starting in 3, 2, 1.
Can you believe that?
That is awesome.
I mean, you just bumped it and it fired up. That's crazy.
Well, now the engine's overheated.
No, it's not overheated. That's amazing.